Hi guys, this one's more of a question than anything else because I'm not too big on electronics. Trudy's here, so you know that it's the weekend, so we've been still chipping away at this. Right, so that cable comes from the alternator, right, and it goes around and then it goes into a fuse, which then goes into this one, which is like a house fuse. Comes out and then goes around, and then it goes into a UK plug. Now my thing is that he had a 90-watt beer fridge in here, a TV that went on a the cigarette lighter ports, and he had that. How did he do all this without an inverter? So I thought you needed an inverter to power household stuff. So there again, that's the live with a fuse, and we have there's an isolator there. So that's all we have is the isolator and that. So do we actually need an inverter? We need a new battery anyway, because this battery here, if you can see, it's bulged on the sides. And from what people told me is that means that the cells are probably damaged on the inside. I wasn't sure because it was on both sides, not just one side. That's the make of the battery. That if it was, supposed to be like that or not, because it's not bulged on the back, it's just on each side. So just for safety reasons, we're going to get a new battery anyway. But for wiring, I did buy some extra bits and bobs, like a fuse board and stuff like that I want to use. But just going by what came with the van, do you think this setup is correct? I'm not keen on him using painter's tape. And also stuff like that, where you can see just a random earth cable coming out like that. I want things a bit more secure and done properly, just for safety reasons, really. And I don't like the way the wires go from red to blue to brown to this to that. I want everything kind of like one color or max two colors, so I know what's going on. I'm gonna label everything up as well. But give me an opinion what you think about this. I've seen some setups already, like you can buy some preset stuff, but I just want to use whatever I have here if it's possible, and then buy whatever I have to. But let me know in the comment section. Thanks guys, I'll catch you next video. Bye.